This is a very large bald cypress tree. This tree is probably 500 to 1,000 years old, give or take. It was around when the Indians populated Lake Jesup. If you look around the swamp, you can see the flood lines on the trees. We are starting to see evidence of the Native Americans who lived here. You can see discarded shell and broken pieces of pottery left behind. I think I see the mound. That's it. This kind of mound is a kitchen midden, basically a trash heap. The Indians would collect aquatic snail from the lake, and after they ate them, they would discard them here. After hundreds of years of just piling up the shell, you get what this is today. Basically, a pyramidal shaped mound. Now, if you take a walk around the mound, you can see the pyramidal shape of it. This mound is covered in sour orange trees, and you don't see them anywhere else but on the mound. The Spanish introduced sour oranges to the Indians, and the Indians probably brought them here and cultivated them.